Hello, it's Ali at Incredibusy, and today I'm going to show you how to make some soya food wraps, which you can keep your fresh food, half cooked food or half a lemon in the fridge, or you can take your packed lunch safely out with you without having to use tin foil or plastic bags or cling film. So first of all, you'll need some parchment paper. You'll need a tin tray or something that you can iron on, a grater, a pair of scissors or pinking shears, some fabric, a pen if you want to draw a template, which we'll do in a moment. The fabric, oh by the way, the fabric is from Palaver, my fabric, but you could use an old pillowcase or sheet with a hole in it maybe that you want to use up. And then what I would suggest doing is cut the fabric to the size you want it. So we'll use a plate as a template and we'll cut to size. So with your fabric cut to size, it's now time to grate the wax onto it. So you'll need a sheet of parchment paper. Here's one we've definitely used earlier. You put your fabric on, and then you're going to grate the wax. You know, you can use wax blocks that you can buy on the internet, or if you're re-waxing an existing wrap, you can purchase vegan food wrap refresher blocks online too. So I think that's quite generous. So now you grab your other sheet of paper, put it on top like your sandwich, and having the iron not too hot, you just melt the wax onto the fabric. Now, the vegan food wrap refresher blocks that you can buy at vegan food wrap, I find them quite sticky to use, and my top tip to you would be to stick it in the freezer. You can do this with any wax, really, any wax block that you're going to grate. So it makes it so much easier to grate, I can tell you. So you just keep applying pressure, applying the heat until you see the paper go, as the paper goes darker and the fabric goes darker, you can see that the wax is melting into the fabric. Like so. Now I mixed some coconut oil into the candle when I was making it at the time, and that helps the fabric wraps from, it stops them cracking when you fold them around the food, keeps them more supple, I guess. Supple, keeps them more supple. Getting my words wrong there. So once this is thoroughly melted in, just put the iron there carefully. You can see where it's darker, and you can see here where it's slightly lighter, where you might want to put some extra wax. So we could do that, couldn't we? So once you've finished ironing it, just hang it up or waft it to dry, to set, as it were. And like I say, it'll take a couple of minutes, and then you're ready to go. And then these probably last for about 6 weeks. Excuse me, and you probably will find that you'll just want to wash them with a bit of warm soapy water, and if you want to get the wax off your grater, just pour some boiling water over it and it will melt off. You'll see. So there you go, that's waft. Lovely. Well, thanks so much for watching. I will show you at the end the finished thing in a still photo maybe, or maybe I'll come back and do another video. Thanks for watching, and you know, usual, like, subscribe, come and visit me on Incredibusy on Instagram as well, and all other social media. Oh look, it's getting slightly more rigid now, can you see? Great. Thanks for watching. So now it's set. I wanted to show you what the original fabric looks like compared to the waxed fabric. So you can see this is the colour and the texture of the original organic cotton from Palaver, and this is what it looks like now. It's rigid It's amazing, isn't it? So now I can use this to wrap my half a lemon. So you use the warmth of your hands to wrap it and seal it. So as, like, you know, as it's waxed, you just kind of use the heat of your hands. Gosh, trying to explain this. And then there you go. You just, and it keeps it fresh in the fridge, or as I said, you know, if you want to pop some sandwiches in it, you can make them bigger. But this is great. I love it. It's great. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to tune in for some more great videos from Incredibusy.